Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Potter, and I practice here at ABC Family Chiropractic and Wellness in Arlington, Massachusetts. We've been in practice about 25 years, and my main mission in this office is to help as many people as possible not only regain their health, but hopefully enjoy quality of life for the balance of the years that God blesses you with. So you might be asking yourself, why would I want to come see Dr. Potter? And one of the reasons is because I've raised 4 children myself, and from the very early years when they were just babies, we started adjusting them, and right through their childhood up through their adulthood. And I really believe that having a child or an adult free of nerve interference is one of the keys to health and well-being. You know, I don't believe in accidents. You came across this video for a reason. I'd love for you to become a fan of this office so we can serve you and your family and become a resource for vital health information for you. I love working with the staff that I have, and the patients that come in are absolutely amazing. To combine that with the diagnostic equipment that we have here, the Insight Millennium Scan, just makes it all the more special. The Insight Millennium uses state-of-the-art technology that helps us understand how your nervous system is working. It will demonstrate the true function of your nervous system and how your body is handling stress. What's great about this diagnostic equipment is that it's safe and non-invasive. It is an objective test that allows you, the patient, and me, the doctor, to see what's happening with your nervous system. So what I like to do over time is, as patients come in, we'll start with a nervous system scan, and then as you come under treatment and start getting healthier, we'll be able to repeat that scan and demonstrate to you the changes that are happening in your nervous system. Another benefit of coming to this office is that we have a very gentle, safe, and yet effective way of adjusting your spine and nervous system. So I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view this video, and you can receive a free ebook, Discover Wellness, by entering your information below.